Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Windows version, free disk space, and an administrator session. Once done, download the official bootstrapper and pick the workloads you need. This avoids missing components later. Make sure to temporarily disable VPN and third-party antivirus because they often block package downloads. Run the installer as administrator to grant elevated permissions. If the installer stalls, open Task Manager and note any blocked processes. That gives you early diagnostics to act on next. Once the installer runs, collect diagnostic data. Use the layout option for an offline cache and enable verbose logging. Open the Visual Studio Setup log and %temp% logs to find result or exit codes. Those codes tell you which component failed. If NET or VC++ redistributable is implicated, repair or reinstall those packages before retrying. Also make sure Windows Update is current, because missing OS updates often cause dependency failures. This targeted approach saves time compared to random reinstalls. Finish by running the installer's retry or repair action and rebooting between attempts to clear locks. If leftovers persist, run the Visual Studio uninstaller with versus installer. EXE using uninstall force to remove remnants, then reinstall from your cached layout. Make sure to re-enable antivirus after success. If you still fail, collect all installer logs and run the Microsoft Install Cleanup utility, then open a support ticket with the logs. One troubleshooting tip: always check for disk encryption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.